Hello, everyone. It's been a lucky day once again interacting with Dr. Pranjali, All India Rank 150 in NEET MDS 2025, BDS, fresh graduate from Terna Dental College, Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. Congratulations once again, Dr. Pranjali, to you, your family,
Thank you.
everyone for
Thank
this
you, sir.
great rank in the first attempt of
Yes.
your entrance exams.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, Beta. Such a great
Thank you,
rank.
ma'am.
It's such a great number,
Thank you.
150.
It's all because of your guidance throughout the year that made it
Beta, it's just
possible,
very
really.
humble of you to say like this, but we know how much hard work you have put in.
Yes, but the guidance also matters. All those regular lectures, notes, and live quizzes and everything. The ma'am
Mm.
used to take our quizzes so late at night at 10:30. That was also like, if she can put in so much effort for us, then we can put more efforts. That was like an inspiration.
So how you were able to manage with this whole lot of ordeal of live classes in the evening, then doing revision,
Um,
solving MCQs, attending quiz, sometimes late, sometimes early morning with internship. That is the catch
With
here.
intention.
Yeah. Actually, during my internship, I was not able to like study as much because I was also traveling to Navi Mumbai. So that was like more 1.5 hour it used to take me just to come and go to college. But
Mm.
in the evenings, I used to attend most of the lectures live as much as possible because that is the best. Later on, if I try to watch recorded, it would take up more time somehow. So I decided that I'll do the lectures live, and the night quizzes I was able to attend. The early morning quizzes was a bit problematic for me because I used to leave from my home at 6:30 a.m. in the morning.
Mm.
So those I would just watch recorded later on in the day, and rest I would just make my notes and study according to the test schedule, whichever is the upcoming test. First read the notes, then solve some MCQs, and the app MCQs were very good. So I'd solve those, and whatever the mistakes are according to that, try to go back to the notes and read it again. That okay, this is a difficult part like that.
But I used to start at 6, then come back home by 5:30,
No, like 3:34 it used to be.
3:30 and 4. But it's a long day, no? Long day and tired.
Yeah,
It must have
yeah.
been. Then how to got
Traveling
this
was
courage?
tiring.
I will study, I will not sleep. I will not rest,
Yeah,
I will
What
attend
was the
classes.
motivation force behind all this?
it was is that I have to get into a GDC, and I had decided in the beginning itself that I will not repeat again or whatever because I have already repeated in the UG times and I know how tough it is. So it was like अभी इसी साल करना है जो भी है, whatever the result will be, I will study in this 1 year. So during the internship, it was still difficult. I will not lie. I was not able to study a lot. Just I would go with the schedule, nothing extra, because I also had to sleep and wake up early to start
Yes.
traveling and all that.
Hmm.
But after the internship, that is when I actually started studying properly. And then the 31st January bomb. So that was a good
What was
push.
the first
So
reaction when you got to know on in November that exam is in Jan?
we were very shocked. We had gone to get our registration certificates and stuff from GDC Mumbai, and that's when we saw the notice, and we were like panicking that this is impossible. It was already the end of November, I guess. It was
27
very like
November,
we were
actually.
very scared, but then slowly it settled. Okay, okay, fine. The test schedule was changed and everything, so we're like, okay, करेंगे हो जाएगा फिर mentally it stayed with us that okay 31st
And
Jan है करना है whatever
And
it
you
is
were
except the
prepared even for
situation.
31st Jan.
Yeah, like we were preparing according to that date, but
Very
then
good.
बाद में postpone हो गया, so it was ठीक है, now we have more
But
time.
you know what? That is the quality of a winner, na?
revision modality
Ah.
started from November, December,
Yeah,
basically.
actually, that study helped us a lot because I used to go to a reading room close to my house to study. So I would just sit there at continuous 4 or 5 hours and just study. So I was able to do each subject properly in depth at that time. So later on, when the date got postponed, it was like a rereading for us. It was not like the first time we are seeing the notes.
Mhm.
So it
So you
was
were
easier.
following the TND schedule, you winded up everything
Yeah,
by
yeah,
Jan.
of course. Yeah.
One revision
Sometimes
was
the test, yeah,
Awesome.
sometimes the tests
And
were
that too
nice,
with
sometimes
internship.
bad.
That too with traveling. And traveling
Yeah.
is not easy. You can
It's
at
not, it's
least
not.
come. Hmm.
No,
The
in the
hats off
Mumbai
to you.
locals, it's not easy.
I
Hats
know
off.
I've been staying in Mumbai for during my UG days, so
Yeah.
it's
And
not
sometimes,
simple.
people, students will tell that we are at home and we are not able to study. So anybody,
Yeah.
or interview, will know, okay, you can study if you really
Yeah.
want.
You can.
If you
True.
want that seat.
Yeah.
So
And
what was your, uh-huh,
yeah.
please say. Yes, beta, what were you saying?
Ultimately, the time you study, it should be like serious, smart studying. So that is what matters. It doesn't
Hmm.
matter if you're sitting 15 hours, but out of that, only 6 hours is productive.
Hmm. So what is smart study according to you? क्या है स्मार्ट स्टडी है क्या?
I feel like instead of keeping on reading the same thing again and again, going once through the notes, then solve, then whatever is difficult, going through it again. So, and when the next test comes, you revise it, and a lot of it feels new again. So, revising that part, especially focusing on what you don't know, all that.
Hmm. Hmm.
So, Dr. Pranjali, after all this, like you gave the exam with all the hardships and covering the 1 year of preparation. During the exam, what was the feeling like? Paper looked easy, moderate, very difficult. And were you like convinced after those 3 hours that yes, I'm getting a rank today?
No, I was not convinced. Actually, the paper was a bit difficult for me in those 3 hours, but I did solve it with patience. Okay, I finished it, but in the end, I did not feel like wow, it was a good paper, and it was definitely not easy. So I was a bit worried. Like through this 1 month, also, I was very stressed. I did not think that I'll get such a good rank actually, but also ma'am had said before that a tough paper is actually good for you because that will help you get a better rank. So that turned out true in the end. So yeah, it was difficult for me in those 3 hours.
So did you
A lot
make
of
any
questions
silly
were quite tricky.
mistakes? कोई silly mistake किया जो करके
A
बाहर आए and you
silly,
said, oh no.
yeah, not silly, but I did make a few mistakes which I realized later that oh, I could have thought about it in that way, which it was like tricky questions, like there were two different options with just one word different, like those kind of questions were difficult for me. Baki jo whatever was fact based and covered in our notes, that was very easy, like that was just mark and go
Hmm.
ahead. The
Yes.
tricky questions were, I was like scared of how many negatives I might get. That was the
Hmm.
fear actually.
See, two things like one, you have been studying in college and then you started preparing an internship for your NEET exam.
Yeah.
Hmm.
How different are these two studies actually when it comes to university preparation and NEET preparation? And secondly,
Mhm.
do you think if you wouldn't have studied this much for NEET, like conceptual part, a lot of basics to be revisited during your NEET preparation time, तो NEET का पेपर वैसा जाता या just NEET paper was another
No,
revision paper?
no, it wouldn't go the same, definitely. And the preparation we do in college for the university exams is very different. We just focus on the important questions. Ki, yeah, this can come, and we only read those paragraphs specifically. And even it's not taught in so much of detail. So when we started attending the classes, it was also surprising. Ki, oh, itna sab hai isme, like endo, DM. We didn't know all these things. Even after reading all those same textbooks, we didn't know this knowledge. Medical subjects, so it was vastly different. Like we had no idea that we have studied all this in the past. Especially medicine, jo ma'am ke notes the, all the subjects, actually all of our notes have helped. PhD was a subject no one likes in college, but the way sir teaches it, it was very fun for us. We used to listen to our batchmates ki PhD is bad and all, and we'd be happy ki okay apne ko aata hai. It's nice,
Yes.
So
easy.
I think most of the subjects look like that only. So after the preparation, they look
Yeah, the
So,
notes are the Bible, honestly. Our notes and the MCQs and
seeing
everything.
your
If you,
reaction, response, and face. Now I can tell you, you actually enjoyed also the study part,
yeah,
yes.
yes,
which is very, very
definitely.
That's,
important for any student who is aiming for
Hmm.
a rank.
yeah, no, and
That's
now
what.
when
I,
you go into the MDS, no, when you go into MDS, these notes will help you
hmm.
out.
Yeah, I know. I told my mom that day that like we have to keep all those books. First year में यही काम आने वाला है. Don't throw
हाँ.
it as. I just told her yesterday. Ma'am had said that it will be there in first year MDS, so we'll keep it like that.
Yeah, there is like basic sciences exam is there again.
Yeah.
So, beta, what was the toughest subject which you faced?
Toughest for me personally, it was actually DM was very tough for me because I
DM is
used to
very
keep
tough.
forgetting. Yeah, I used to keep forgetting. I like the notes and everything, but in the exam somehow I used to get confused and mess it
Hmm.
up. So
Hmm.
that was a little difficult
Everyone.
for
So
me.
bottom
And
line is
uh,
everyone hates DM.
DM is actually a
no,
very
no,
dry,
I,
very
but
dry
we don't
subject.
hate it. Sir did
And
teach it very nicely, so don't hate it. But it was just tricky for me,
yes,
to remember all that, and
it
also
is.
like
I
It
think you
Pharmac,
is.
should.
all those.
I think you should start asking in a different question now.
What?
Which is the toughest subject except DM?
It's some DM.
Then the answer is
Pharmac was also very tough for me because I
Pharmac.
I kept forgetting the classifications, but in the end it was fine. Like I went through all the classifications that ma'am had given us and the quiz
Hmm.
notes. Even in the cab while reaching the center, I was reading the quiz notes only. That's all
Okay.
I did on that day. I didn't study anything else.
so you made a separate register for quiz,
How
like looking.
I
Yeah,
used to
yeah.
Okay.
I told them to
All
make.
the quizzes in one notebook.
But
So that's what
I
we did.
used to study before the quiz, and I used to think, who will come? But all of you have attended the quiz, and that is actually a great thing for me. Okay, you all
In
have
fact,
attended and have benefited also.
I watched it again and again. Like when you forget a subject after 2 3 months, so I would still go through the quiz again. So
Now this
that was
time we
also
did
like
even
a
this
revision.
dental quiz also we
Yeah,
did. So was
yeah,
it
that
good
was
dental?
also,
Because I thought dental should be also done.
yeah. It was good. It was good, especially biochem, DM, everything that sir has
PM
taken.
se the questions only came, no?
Direct
Yeah,
questions came here.
it was
So
good.
So what do you want to say to all your juniors? कि कैसे कर सकते हैं? How it can be done? See, what you have done is nothing less than magic, frankly. For many students, it is like magic.
Thank you.
Sometimes I even get a call, कि ma'am, we didn't do this. Now we are listening to toppers interview. This should have been done. And you have done everything, everything that was there on our list.
maybe you are not realizing right now.
हाँ, कि
Feeling.
what you have done is
Yeah,
actually
Number
big
one, you have
achievement.
done with your internship, which is highly commendable. Secondly, please don't mind, and all the viewers, like Dr. Pranjali comes from a private institution, and that's what major query which we usually get is I am from a private college,
yeah,
and there is a very less chance I will get selected to, but she has done it. Then thirdly, she has coped up with the stress of everything, the time bound scenario, travel भी करना है, कॉलेज भी अटेंड करना है, शाम को क्लास भी करनी है, उसको रिवाइज भी करना है, नीट का जो फियास्को ऑफ डेट्स है वो भी he has gone through.
टेस्ट भी देना है.
ये I don't know, the day you will realize you are no less than a super girl actually.
True, superhero.
thank you. Thank you,
Because
sir.
I don't think so, many people can even think of doing
What
this.
is your message to all those who have these thoughts in mind
Hmm.
before they start their preparation?
Problems आ
Uh,
जाते हैं. Time नहीं है,
hmm,
math.
I feel like your college does not matter because even in dentistry, like private college and government college, we are just at a difference of a few marks that made the difference in the
NUG
college.
level,
So
yeah.
we should not underestimate कि private से तो GDC में कैसे जाएंगे. That should not be the thought process. What you think, you should manifest that I want to get into a GDC. So that is what
Manifestation
matters.
करती है
Yeah,
बहुत.
definitely.
And never
Definitely, I did.
bad thing never strike your mind. कि this bad
No,
will
it did,
happen.
I did have a lot of like stressful phases also. Ki, I don't know anything. How will I do this? But ultimately, you have to keep studying and get back on track. Whatever it
Hmm.
is, trust in yourself.
Yes.
And even in college, you have to take time out from the postings whenever there is no work. You have to make sure that you utilize it somehow. At least solve MCQs, or if you're just sitting, then watch a lecture. That
Hmm.
is what we used to do in college.
College, those students who are studying, they are under a different kind of pressure. कि why you are
Yeah,
studying? Why you are
you have to
studying?
work also.
Yes, so that pressure, how you handle? What do you, मतलब,
uh,
not all of
when
you must be studying for PG.
But surprisingly, in my batch of 11 people, everyone was studying. So
Okay,
that was also a thing that, everyone wants to study. So, but
that's
we
nice.
had to somehow make it work out that, okay, patient ka kaam hai, so we have to do it. So
Hmm.
that comes first, of course, but whenever you get time or in the less important postings, like ortho and all, there is not much work for us. So in those postings, we studied a lot, we watched a lot of lectures.
Yeah, I
So
got your
that helped.
funda, Pranjali. I have to do it. That is your,
Yeah.
go-to mantra. कि करना है, I have to do it. I have to do patient, I have to study. Come what? Very nice bit. And I'm sure your parents would have played a great role.
Yeah, of course, of
You're a
course.
day scholar. So how they supported
With
you and everything.
without a good atmosphere at home, nothing is possible. So my parents have been very supportive. Like I did not have to do anything at home. Initially I used to help out a little after my internship got over, but when the 31st January and all those dates happened, then I had stopped helping totally. I was just, eat, study, sleep. That's all I did, and they never questioned it. So, of course, the support matters.
Your mom or dad is here? Parents?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. Can we meet them?
yeah. Okay, 1 minute.
Morning, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Congratulations.
Mubarak ho, ma'am.
Thank you so
Congratulations.
much.
She's such a brave girl, ma'am. How did you raise her to be so
आपकी
brave?
आपकी वजह से है, आप लोग जो मोटिवेट करते थे बस
बट हमने
वही है।
ये तो नहीं बोला कि इतनी ट्रैवलिंग के बाद भी पढ़ लो, इतना
No,
कॉलेज के
actually,
काम।
नहीं
mom,
नहीं
mom also listened to a lot of the quizzes and all at 10:30, and she was like,
हाँ
"अभी तक मैम lecture ले रहा है." She would also be very surprised that how hard they are working.
आप जो पॉजिटिवली उनको बताते थे ना तो उनको पढ़ाई करने में और अच्छा इंस्पिरेशन मिलता था कि करना है अपने को सर मैम इतना जी जान लगा के पढ़ा रहे तो अपने को करना है ऐसा था।
थैंक यू
और मैं
बच्चों
तो
ने
स्पेशली आपका जब लेक्चर रहता था ना तो मैं स्पेशली उसको बोलती थी कि 2 मिनट ये
Speaker.
स्पीकर ऑन रखो मुझे सुनना है जो आप बोलते हैं हेलो बच्चों कैसे हैं आप लोग सब मुझे बहुत पसंद था।
नहीं थैंक यू मैम एंड बहुत
बहुत
अच्छा
मुबारक हो आप।
आपके लिए
आप
बहुत
लोगों की
एंड शी इज
मेहनत है।
सच अ ब्राइट गर्ल मैम एंड शी इज सच अ ब्रेव गर्ल शी इज गोइंग टू हैव ग्रेट फ्यूचर।
Thank you,
थैंक यू
ma'am.
थैंक यू
थैंक
थैंक यू सो
थैंक यू
मच।
मैम
Thank you.
Are you aiming for a government MDS seat? Then Dr. Lal's Pathshala is where your journey begins. An intensive offline course designed to shape your success. The new batch starts in the first week of June 2025. Classes run 4 to 5 days a week, from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m., spanning 4 to 5 months of focused preparation. Located in Vikaspuri, New Delhi, with hostel facilities available. This is more than just a course. It's your gateway to cracking the MDS entrance.